Before we get started, man, with this video, man, and this per knowledge, hit that notification button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get this money, baby.
I make money, money don't make me, and the shit you think funny irritates me. I'm out your Monday through Sunday, 365, no vacation. Getting paid, trying not to get caught up in fucked up situation. Way I roam, and ain't no laughing, niggas serious about this.
Hey, what it do, man? It's your boy Roy Miller. You're tuning in to Chopping It Up with Roy. We're gonna get straight into it, man. First, we're gonna touch bases on what is Robinhood, man? Like, I'm trying to help all of my followers, my audience, find where the money's at. Was everybody's getting all this money from, this free money that people seeing nowadays, you know what I'm saying? Because people are really building wealth, man, just off of their laptops, their phones, any gadget, man, people not going out here. I mean, you still got your normal labor workers, digging a ditch and yada, yada, yada. But we're focused. My platform is focused on making that money off of your phone, just electronics, man. You know what I'm saying? So any gems I got for you, I can't give y'all a full, my full strategy. Once you get into it, man, you will figure out your own strategy. I had to learn, but I am gonna lead y'all the way, to that money, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna just get right into it, man, on where all this free money coming from, these free bands, you know what I'm saying, man? Y'all just stick with Roy, man. Hit that notification button, that like button, and subscribe, man. Cause we're gonna make a lot of money off of this channel, man. Like, for real, we're gonna make a lot of money, and I'm gonna help y'all make a lot of money. Let's go, baby. We got these options in Robinhood, right? It's called buying a call, buying a put, selling a call, selling a put. All type of bullshit terms. You got all these gurus out here who tell you, they got their own technique, on strategy, on terms on what these words mean to them, But and I have my own, buying a call, say if you got a clothing line, right? And I come to you and I'd be like, man, how your clothing line doing? And you come to me and you say, well, Roy, I think my clothing line is booming, That shit making money, man. That shit skyrocketing, man. And I come to you and I say, well, shit, I feel your clothing line is going to skyrocket even more on a certain date, that you're not expecting it to, So, and you be like, man, shit, you for real? And I was like, yeah, I think it's going to skyrocket on a certain date, And now it'd be like, bet. Well, okay, cool. So now I'm gonna set this contract. I'm write up this contract. We can do how many contracts we want, but let's stick to one contract. So I'm gonna do one contract, and it states that your business, your clothing line business, is going to go up on a certain date. That I've chosen. For this contract, and I'm buying this call, I'm saying? I'm buying 100 shares of your business, I'm saying? So you give me the 100 shares on this contract, and wherever the price is for it, I'm gonna buy it. So bam. So now I'm buying the call. So if my call that I called, on the price, your business going up, if it gets there, hey, I'm in the money, baby. I'm making money. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I do, man. It's pretty simple, man. A lot of people give you the run around when they're talking about option trading and shit like that, man. I mean, I can't say that they're wrong, but from my understanding, the way I learned, I like to skip through things, man. I'm a fast learner, So, once I got taught to, look at certain things in the business, in the trading business, I got right to it, And like my motto is, if I can learn, you can learn. You know what I'm saying? So it's simple, man. You play around with it, man. You figure out your own strategy and you know what you can do to make a lot of money, which stocks to invest in, and get that money, man. Okay, guys, here we are in the Robinhood account. We're gonna go with Apple just for example. To get y'all the hang of it. And this way you can find any stocks that you want. And right now, Apple is at $146.42. We're going to trade option. And here on this screen, the strategy builder, which we will predict that Apple will go up, down, stay in between. We don't think that it's going to go up or down. Just stay right there. That's the spread that I always like to do. And the dates are at top. We're going to go with the in-between strategy. March 3rd, 10/17. We can go with March 17th, man. And here we got the terms buy, call, which I explained earlier in the video. We're buying the call. I'm predicting that your clothing line is going to go up by March 17th. As an example, as like how we're in Apple right now, I believe that Apple will be up by March 17th. Is at 146 at the moment, and up you can see is above the striker price 146, and it's 147, 148, and it just keeps getting higher. You know what I'm saying, into the money, and the premiums is on the side, which is going to pay us. You know what I'm saying? And here we at buying a put, and how I think of a put, my term, is putting your business down. You know what I'm saying? It's all the same technique, but it's like I would listen to this girl who also trade option, and she got her terms as picking up a phone, that's call, and putting down the phone, that's put. You know what I'm saying? I like her term, you know what I'm saying? Once you get the hang of it and figure out your own strategy, then you will have your own term or what these words mean to you. For me, I like to stick with, if I call, buying the call, selling the call, I'm saying the business is going to skyrocket, on a certain date. And if I'm putting down your business, like I'm doubting your business, I'm doubting your clothing line, I'm doubting Apple, you know what I'm saying? So that's how I like to think of it, and it's working for me so far, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully you figure out your technique and your strategy and your term. We're going to go back to buying the call, just for example, on this video to show you what I was talking about. So buying the call, I'm thinking Apple is going to go up to 147. Break even. The premium is $4.05. And that times 100, man. That you get that money. You know what I'm saying? 100 shares. We get that money if we're right. If it gets to that at 147 by March 17th, man, we're making money, man. And this right here is the Greeks, man. This is very important. Delta is at 0.47. I rounded off to 50. You know what I'm saying? So that's it's how much money you're making, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go one contract, and the more contracts you buy, the more money, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're right. And then we have the limit price. They bidding at $3.45, $3.55. We're gonna go with $3.50. Stay in between. That's $350 to buy 100 shares of Apple. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, man, make that money, man. Hit review, buy it. Stuff like that. And what I usually do to make money every day with while I'm waiting on my option trade, I buy like probably 4 or 5 different stocks, man, and I just sit back and I just watch the market, And what I do once it gets in the, you buy low, sell high. That's all I do, buy low, sell high, and I make money. I make profit off of that. You know what I'm saying? Like say if I buy into a stock and it's down, but when I research on that stock and the press telling me it's a good stock to invest in, to hold, I hold it for a couple hours, something like that, and you don't really lose too much of money if it doesn't go up, you can always take, you can sell it, get your money, get some of you, get a good bit of your money back. You'll lose probably like cents or something like that, man, or $1 or something like that, man, if you really focus on it, so that's an important thing to do is when you buy into something, man, focus, you can go and cook, get your kids from school or, go jog or something like that. But once you get back in the house, man, jump back on your laptop or your phone and check out your stocks, man. See what it's doing, But other than that, man, like I tell you, I buy like 4, 5, 6 stocks at one time while I'm day trading. I had 5 stocks running at one time, bro, and all of them was in the money in a couple hours, man. And once I sold it, I had thousands of dollars, man, like no cap, man, like straight up, man. So it's a blessing, man, to learn things out here in this world, man. That money is out there in front of you, man. Like it's out here, man. Go get it. You know what I'm saying? Like stop procrastinating, man. Stop sitting on your ass, man. Well, really, you can sit on your ass, but while you sitting on your ass, get that cash. You feel what I'm saying? Get that money, man, like for real. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's free money out here if you apply yourself, Knowledge, man. Like that message on the back of the bus way back in the day. A mind is a terrible thing to waste, man. Get that money, And I feel real good. I can dig in my pocket, man, and pull out a bunch of money. I can do whatever I want to do, man. You know what I'm saying? Because it's free money. You know what I'm saying? It's free money. You know what I'm saying? Like it's all free money. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, bro, I don't struggle no more. I'm financially free. You know what I'm saying? I set up option trade. When you go out, say you want to go on vacation, you want to take the kids on vacation and shit like that, man, for 2 weeks or a week or something like that, man, you can do that. And set up what I do, I option trade before I go on a vacation. You know what I'm saying? Because when I go on a vacation, I'm looking at the spend thousands of dollars while I'm on a vacation. So when I get back home, I want to have my money that I spent on this vacation back in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? So like everything free in this world. You know what I mean? Like traveling is free for me. Food is free for me. Clothes is free for me. Jewelry is free for me. Transportation is free for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't worry about none of these shit, man, in life no more, man. I'm serious, man. I don't worry about none of these shit in life no more, man. Like, seriously. It's all the money is there, man. The money is there.
Cause I make money don't make me, and the shit you think funny.